Hey y'all, welcome to part 2, critical care. Let's do it. I'm Julie the tutor. Okay, take a deep breath in, blow it all out. A patient with heart failure has nitroglycerin infusing at 3 milliliters an hour. The concentration of nitroglycerin is 100 milligrams in 500 milliliters of D5W. At what rate in micrograms per minute is the nitroglycerin infusing? Okay. You may need to swallow your beverage if you threw up in your mouth a little bit, but we're fixing to learn how to do this. So it's infusing at 3 milliliters an hour. Who wanted that? I didn't. I don't care what it goes at. That's what Mr. Main, the physician, wanted. So follow me. 3 milliliters an hour is what the doctor wants it going at. What do I have that's milliliters? Because it has to have the same last name to go in the fraction. I got 500 milliliters. Yeah, I want you to know you can do this. How does the 500 milliliters come? With 100 milligrams in it. So we're putting 100 milligrams, okay? And then we're going to do the math because we're trying to find out how many milligrams an hour he's getting. So we'll do the 3 divided by 500, then times 100. 3 divided by 500 equals times 100 equals. And this is 0.6 milligrams per hour. All right? And look, of course, Ethel wants the dab blame micrograms per minute. So just follow me. We got kilograms, grams, milligrams, and micrograms. I'm going to convert this 0.6 milligrams to micrograms because my answer has to be in that. So 0.6 milligrams to micrograms. I'm moving my decimal to the right. I'm going to grab that sucker and go 1, 2, 3. So he's getting 600 micrograms per hour. You see that? Okay, and you know Ethel wants to know the micrograms per minute. So we can take 600 micrograms per hour and divide it by 60 minutes to find out the micrograms per minute. You see that? Lord, let them see it. Open your eyes. Okay, so let's do this. 600 divided by 60 equals, and it's going to be 10, just give me a second, my dog. It's 10 micrograms per minute. Look, we sure did save him. You see it right here in front of everybody. Yeah, we did. Okay. So now that you kind of see how it goes, let's do another one. Don't give up on me yet. And look, will you like this video right quick? I got fruit for my grandbabies. And anyway, okay. Let's do this one. Mr. Diaz is admitted to your ICU with a dopamine infusion at 13.5 milliliters an hour. That's what it's already running at. His weight is 17 kilograms. The dopamine concentration is 1 gram in 250 milliliters of D5W. At what rate in micrograms per kilogram per minute is the dopamine infusing? Don't lose your mind yet. It's going to be all right. What we know is Mr. Main, the physician, wants it going at 13.5 milliliters. What do I have that's milliliters? Because we've got to find out how many milligrams he's getting at that milliliter. That's why we're doing this. What do I have that's milliliter? I got 250 of them. And how does that come? with 1 gram. And you know gram to milligram. You know 1 gram is 1,000 milligrams. If you don't, burn it in your frontal lobe. And then we're doing the math. Okay? You with me so far? Okay. So we're going to do 13.5 divided by 250. Don't even look because you're not done. Times 1,000 equals 54 milligrams per hour. Okay? And you know Ethel wants micrograms. So I'm going to convert this 54 to micrograms. If I put micrograms right here, milligrams to micrograms, I got to take the decimal that way. 54 is a whole number, and the decimal's behind it. And I'm going 1, 2, 3, adding my zeros. And this is going to be 5,400 micrograms per hour. You with me? I believe you are. And Ethel wanting it per minute. So what do you reckon we're going to do? Yes, that's right. Look at you. Brilliant. We're dividing by 60 to find the micrograms per minute. Yeah. So come on, let's do it. 5,400 divided by 60 is going to be 900 micrograms per minute. You see how I believe, if you go back and watch this, I believe you're going to understand it. And you got to make peace with that, the fact that it's going to take this whole page to work this problem. And Ethel, blame her. Okay? All right. Wants to know the micrograms per kilogram per minute. So we're going to divide 900 micrograms by all his kilograms, divided by 75 kilograms. And that's going to give us how many micrograms per kilogram he's getting per minute. 900 divided by 75 is going to be 12 micrograms per kilogram per minute. You believe me? Look. Boom. We saved another one in a mighty fine fashion. You see that? Okay. I believe you do. Thank you for watching. I'm going to be working some more of these. But just, you know, open your mind and practice these skills. Y'all have a good day.